I'm a pretty busy guy. I've got a lot of things on my to-do list. So I like to do these 10-minute workouts, and this is my favorite one. I use this app, it's called SmartWOD. My favorite one is this EMOM. And EMOM just means every minute on the minute. So this is a 10-minute workout. I'm gonna choose one exercise, and I'm gonna choose a number, and I'm gonna do that every minute on the minute for 10 minutes, okay? Today I'm gonna do pull-ups, and I'm gonna show you what that looks like.
Let's go.
And the way I'm choosing a number is I'm choosing a goal for the 10 minutes. So if I want to do 50 pull-ups, I'm going to do 5 pull-ups every minute. That's what I'm doing today. Okay, so that was 50 pull-ups, 10 minutes. I'm finished. My form kind of fell apart at the end there, but that doesn't matter. I got a great workout, and now I'm ready to start my day. So you can see 10 minutes to get a lot of exercise in, really efficient workout. Highly recommend it. These are EMOMs, every minute on the minute. The fitness world loves acronyms. So that's what that's about. That's what that looks like. See you next time.